The first of which is Valeanu of Romania in the LW4 category class. This is similar to the LW2, except LW4 skiers have an impairment in one leg only, but with less activity limitation. Typical example is a below-the-knee amputation in one leg, and skiers in this class always use two skis. Now, Valeanu's advantage at the top, 2.16 seconds. And the starter's time 1:46.61, and Valeanu is 3.6 seconds in front. So doing a good job here, Valeanu extending her lead over the skier before. And some nice skiing from Valeanu. A little hard on the right ski there to make that blue gate, but all getting late in the line now and bounced around a little bit, but should have enough in the bank to beat 2:14.16. Yes, she does. 4 seconds, 1:04.71 in the second, 2:10.13. The overall lead